Hello everyone, I will introduce our research, the interactive layout drawing interface with shadow guidance. For the motivation, the traditional way to design the slide layout is difficult. When users want to retrieve some references, they need watch the whole video or keep dragging the timeline. It's time-consuming, so we propose a sketching interface for retrieving and supporting users to design slide layouts. Users can use the proposed user interface to effectively find the references, and the system can also inspire them how to design the slide layouts. Next is the framework. In this work, the proposed architecture consists of three parts as shown in this figure. We first create an algorithm to extract the slides from the video. After the extraction, we calculate the distribution of all the layouts in slides and then generate a heat map. Then we train a model to analyze the slides. After that, we label the layout of each slide and use neural network to extract the image feature. Now let me use a video to introduce our user interface. First, the user can refer to the layout guidance to draw the layouts. Then the most similar slides will be rendered on the web page. Also, when user edits their sketch, the references will also change simultaneously. Next is some results of the layout matching. We can see each user input can retrieve appropriate slides. And next is the user study. We hire 12 participants and use two different user interfaces. We first let participants to watch a short paper and then ask them to design 3 slide layouts. The result is shown in this figure. The right part is some results designed by the participants, and the left part is the results of the evaluation. The user study proves that our interface can provide the user with satisfactory slides, and also it can save their retrieval time. For the task 2, we ask the same participants to complete the questionnaire. The result is shown in this figure. The user study verified that our interface could help users design more uniform styles than the conventional interface. That is the conclusion. In this work, we proposed an interface with user guidance and a user study to verify our interface. For the future work, we first decided to improve our database to add more quality and well-designed slides. And second, we decided to expand our research to ensure that our interface can provide references of slides content. And that's all for my presentation. Thanks.